Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can cancel your domains on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, just to preface this, I do not have a purchased domain on Squarespace, neither do I have a domain on a third party, which I've then added to Squarespace. Pretty much, I just have the built-in domain, which will work sort of as a pointer to where you need to go to enable or disable everything. But yeah, pretty much I'm just going to show you where to go, and I'll, in my own words, explain to you how you can cancel your domain. Now, domains are, of course, I'm pretty sure, a yearly subscription. So if you have one, then you can use it on Squarespace if you purchased it on Squarespace. If you didn't, and if you use a third-party one, you do need to go to that domain provider and then shut it down over there. Depends on the domain provider. I can't really make a video on all of them. So I'll just focus on Squarespace. But if you want to cancel your Squarespace domain, what you need to do is click on settings on the main menu, which is this gear icon in the bottom, then go into domains and email, and then click on domains. Now, here you'll see a list of all your domains. As you can see, I'm using currently only this built-in one, and if I click on it, I can't really cancel it or disable it. This is needed for the site to function as is. But if you went ahead and purchased a domain, you can just click on your domain which you want to cancel, and here you'll see all your options. Pretty sure you will need to cancel or to make it public first, or disable privacy, disable any protection you might have, and then go ahead and go through the entire cancel procedure. You might have to wipe the DNS records as well. Not really sure about that part, but if you want to be safe, you can delete all the records, and then you can just go ahead and cancel your subscription. If you can't find it here, and I'm pretty sure there should be a button over here, you can go into your billing and go into your subscriptions, and if you see a subscription for one of your domains here, you can go ahead and click on cancel. If we go into my website, as you can see, I can cancel the trial because I'm on a trial. But if you see your domain, which should be listed here under your subscriptions, click on it, cancel it, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.